Okay, so I'm on the Norwegian Sun, and if you want to stream your videos from your computer over to the monitor or the TV, you cannot use this remote. This remote is like the hotel type remote, and it doesn't offer you the input selection. So what I did, I purchased one of these universal remotes, and it came with instructions as to what code to use. So you just power it on, and then you use the input button to choose HDMI, and there you go. Now it's easy for you to connect your monitor. You just need to use the selection keys like the function or the control to switch to extend your display, and then it's pretty easy. So it's a HDMI from your computer to HDMI on the TV, but you need a universal remote to switch, and then that's all you need to do.